So hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to fix Outlook app not showing all mail in your Outlook application. So guys, if you're facing such type of issue, so guys, you just follow this video to fix this issue. So guys, first thing is guys, you check focused inbox filter. So guys, for checking the focused inbox filter, make sure that you turn on all the settings properly. For this, open your application. After open the application, simply click on your app profile. Guys, here you see the option of a setting. In the setting section, guys, go to the option of notification. In notification, guys, here you see the option of focused inbox. Make sure you select it to the focus inbox and all. If you want to show all the mails, you just select all. Okay. Another thing is guys, check filter setting. So guys, make sure that you are maybe filter unread or flagged email. So guys, open your application and guys, here you see the option of filter. Here, make sure it selected to the all mail, not unread, flagged and the pin. Okay. Then guys, you check the spam and the junk folder. Sometimes some mails are sent in and find received in your junk folder. For this, simply click on your app icon. And guys, here you see the option of junk folder. So just click it and here is your junk folder. Okay. Then guys, you try to force sync your Outlook. For force sync your Outlook, you simply go to the main menu of your application. Okay, here is the inbox. And guys, simply swipe down your screen. And guys, here you see this is the refresh icon, progress bar. So just again swipe it and wait for to loading and refreshing your account. Okay, it also help you to fix this issue. Then guys, you try to check your battery optimization. So battery saver maybe stop the full syncing. So if you turn on any saver, so you just turn it off. Okay, here this is my saver is completely done now. Another thing is guys, you update your application. For updating, simply open the Play Store. In the Play Store, simply go search and search your Outlook application. And instead of open, if it is show update, so guys, please install the update. Okay, then guys, check Outlook web version. If your Outlook application is not working properly in Android, so guys, you try to switch to the web application. For web application, you simply go to the Chrome browser. Okay, here open a new tab and simply search the Outlook. After open, here you go Outlook and here you log in and check that you received mail or not. So guys, these are the fixes that you can check. And guys, thank you and guys have a nice day and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.